Where's Steve?
His name is Gorak. His name is Steve.
The train. We've got to stop it. No worries. Let's get him.
No!
We gotta stop that train. Come back here, you.
Steve, look out! They're after you!
Oh, he's a wily one. Oh, move!
Steve, look out!
Notice the dilated pupils of this prehistoric meat. A sure sign the prey is frightened, as well as he should be, as I will now jam my thumb in its butthole. Hey, stop the train! Hi, who are you? I said stop that train! Yes, hello, I see you.
They're all moving pretty fast, but I'll catch up to it by cracking.
I've got you pinned, I win. Now I've got you pinned, I win. Hey, it's okay. Go get him, boy. Cut him off. No! Now for the coup de grace. I'll just get my thumb up here. The train's not stopping. It's not stopping. Holy boy!
Where's Gorak?
Wow, that is the largest thing I've ever seen. Where's the Iceman? He has to be around here somewhere.
I can't believe it's gone. Wait, look, the helicopter. Steve, he's alive.
Goodbye again. I'm off to Des Moines. No, come back. You can't adapt. You'll never live. I'm not living here. Living is having ups and downs and sharing them with friends. Thank you, Stan and Kyle. See ya. Damn, well, so much for our plan to use the Iceman to take over Sweden. What? What? Nothing.
Kyle, Steve is a pretty good name for that guy. No, dude, Gorak is cool because it's original. And besides, you found him. Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting crocodiles. Can we be best friends again? I hate having Carmen as a best friend. Me too. He's